Kayak storage. Essential tips and tricks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term kayak storage. This is a phrase you might encounter if you're interested in outdoor activities, especially water sports. So, let's dive in and understand what kayak storage means and why it's important. Kayak storage refers to the methods and places where kayaks are kept when they are not in use. A kayak is a type of small, narrow watercraft which is typically propelled by means of a double-bladed paddle. The key points about kayak storage are: safety, ensuring the kayak is stored in a way that it doesn't get damaged; space efficiency, storing the kayak in a manner that doesn't consume unnecessary space; accessibility, keeping the kayak in a location where it can be easily accessed for future use. There are several types of kayak storage options, each suitable for different needs and spaces. These include: 1. Wall racks. These are racks mounted on the wall to hold the kayak. They save floor space and can be used in garages or sheds. 2. Ceiling hoists. A system to lift and store the kayak on the ceiling, ideal for limited spaces. 3. Freestanding racks. These racks stand on the ground and can hold multiple kayaks. Suitable for larger storage areas. 4. Outdoor covers. If storing outside, covers protect the kayak from weather elements. Here are some essential tips for storing your kayak. Clean the kayak. Always clean it before storage to remove dirt and debris. Avoid direct sunlight. Store the kayak in a shaded area to prevent damage from UV rays. Proper positioning. Store the kayak on its side or vertically to avoid deformation. Check for safety. Ensure the storage setup is secure to prevent accidents or falling. I hope this video helps you understand what kayak storage is all about and how to do it effectively. Remember, proper storage not only extends the life of your kayak but also keeps your space organized and safe. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.